Now see fifth standard. Now look at the second sheet. Okay, we are starting from page number 140 and in UT3 this chapter is included. That's why I am sending you extra maths material, and written work I will give you later on. Okay, first I am explaining whole chapter so that you will be able to do your work in the UT3. Okay. Now look at the second sheet. Each strip is divided into 10 equal boxes. How many boxes are there in all? So 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10, that means 100. In each box, 1 upon 100 part of the sheet. If you will take count one box. So one box is the part of out of 100 box. How many blue boxes are there? 1. So 10 blue boxes are there. So 10. Is blue equal to 10 upon 100? If whole sheet, if we will talk about whole sheet, so we will write out of 100 boxes 10 boxes with blue color, and we saw that blue is also equal to 1 upon 10. Here is 10, so 1 upon 10 blue. We wrote it as 0.1 of the sheet because in 1 0 in the denominator, so before 1 digit we will put decimal. Here before 2 digit, so before two zeros are there, so before 2 digit we will put decimal. But we can cancel this 0 also this. So again we will get 1 upon 10. So 1 upon 10 we can write in this form. Clear? Now see here. Can we say that 10 upon 100 is equal to 1 upon 10? Yes. We can cancel this 0 by 0 in this way. See here, children. So 1 upon 10 and 1 upon 10 is equal 0.1 because 1 0 is there. And if we want to write in this form, so 10 upon 100. So before 2 digit, 2 zeros are there. Before 2 digit we will put decimal. So decimal we will put 1 digit, second digit and 0.10. The answer of this is this and this is this. So all parts are equal. Now think, can we write 10 paise as 0.1 of rupee? 10 paise, okay. So in 1 rupee is 100 paisa. So in 10 paisa, how much rupee will be there? 0.1 rupee. Same answer. How many boxes are red? What part of the sheet is this? So 10 and 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. So 15. So out of 100, 15. So can we also write as 0.15? Yes, in the denominator 2 zeros are there with 1. That means, so we will write as hundredths. And that means before 2 digit we will put decimal of the sheet. Don't get confused. 0.10 is the same as 0.1. Already I explained. Remember these, 50 is rupees 0.50 and also rupee 0.5. We can cancel at the last 0. Okay. Now hint. Remember we wrote 99 paise as 0.99 rupee. Now 3 upon 100 of the sheet is black. 1, 2, 3. 3 upon 100 of the sheet is black. So we can say that 0.2 zeros are there. So we will write 3 and 1 0 more because 1 digit we are having. So second digit we will put 0 and then point. So 0.03 sheet is black. Okay. Now how many white boxes are there in the sheet? So 10 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Or you can count in this way: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12 and 22. Okay, so 22 white boxes are there in the sheet. What part of the second sheet is white? So what part of second sheet is white? That means out of 122 boxes, before 2 digit we will put decimal. So 0.22 part of the second sheet is white. Now make your own designs. So what you will do, children, in the market it's available also, and you can 10 by 10 boxes, 10 centimeter here and 10 centimeter you can draw also and divide in the 10 equal, or you can graph paper cutting you also can use. It's up to you. Make a nice design by coloring 0.45 part of this square red. That means you will draw the design. That means 45 boxes you can use with red color here. So you will do yourself and send it on my personal WhatsApp number. Use 4 colors. Each color should cover 0.05 of this square. That means 4 color you can use. That means out of 105 boxes with different colors, so you will choose 4 colors. Red, I am writing here, red, blue, green and yellow, and 0.05, 0.05, 0.05, 0.05. 4 times if you will add, that means 0.05. If we multiply by 4, 4 5s are 20, before 2 digit point, so point. That means out of 100 you will use 20 boxes with different color. Okay, so you will send it on my personal number. Now sports day, the school of Malappuram has its sports day. The first 5 children in the long jump are: Tina jumped 3.50 meter, that means 3 meter. Okay, and that means 3.5. Meena 4.05 meter, Rehana 4.50 meter, Anu 3.05 meter and Amina 3.35 meter. Tina jumped 3.50 meter, which is 3 meter and 50 centimeter. Okay, but how far did Anu jump? So Anu's jump is 3 meter and 5 centimeter. The meaning of this is 3 meter and 5 centimeter, and the meaning of this is 3 meter 50 centimeter. Okay, so now you can compare this 3 meter and 50 centimeter. 3 meter equal here 50 centimeter, here 5 centimeter. Who is the winner in the long jump? Definitely. So if we are comparing this, okay, but according to this table, Meena, then Rehana. So Rehana is the winner in the long jump. Okay. Now write the names of the first, second and third winners on this stand. Okay, we'll write here name. Okay. Do you remember that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter? Yes. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 of meter. That means 1 part of, out of 100 only 1 part. We also write 1 centimeter as, in the denominator 2 zeros are there, so 1 and 1 more 0 and this 0.01 meter. Now first is Rehana, already we have seen. Second is Rehana 4 meter 50 centimeter. Then Meena 4 meter 5 centimeter. So Meena, Rehana, and then Tina. Rehana is first, Meena second, Tina third. So Rehana, Meena, Tina. So you will write Rehana. You will write whole name, okay? I am Meena and Tina, okay? Now write in meters. 3 meter 45 centimeters. So 3.45 meters. How? Because already 3 meters, and to change this 45 centimeter you will divide by 100, because is 1 meter 100 centimeter. Before 2 digit you will put decimals, so 3.45. 99 centimeters, that means 0.99. In 45 you will take 99. So before, now 1 meter and 5 centimeters. So 5 upon 100, because 1 is already. So before 2 digit if you will point your decimal, so 1 digit is there. So another digit we will take 0. So 3.05. How big can you get? Okay, after breathing out 1.52 meter, and on taking a deep breath 1.82 meter. That means when we are taking inhale, okay, in inhale the chest is 1.82 meter, and then exhale after breathing the chest is 1.52 meter. Difference in size. So 1.82 greater number and 1.52 is smaller, than difference in 0.30 meter. If we change this into centimeter, so multiply this 3 into 100, 300, and before 1 digit put decimal, and this cancel we, so 30 centimeter differences. Now do this for yourself and find the difference. Okay, you will do this activity at your home for you. Okay, you have to grow 45 centimeter more to reach 2 meter. You can see in this 2 meter is here, and after measuring the height to reach 2 meter, 45 centimeter more he wants. So what is Dinesh's height in meter? So what we will do, 45 to reach 2 meter, we have to subtract 45 centimeter, because already his height is there. So 2 meter first, here 45 centimeter, here 2 meter. So first what we will do, we will meter we will change into centimeter. So in 1 meter 100 centimeter, so in 2 meter 200 centimeter. Okay, and another way what you will do, here's meter and centimeter. So 2 meter and here 45. So you will write 10. Now after giving 1 meter here, 100 will be there. Okay, now when you will subtract 100 out of 45, so rough work 145. 10 minus 5 is 5, and 9 will be here, so 55. And here 1 is left. So what is Dinesh's height in meters? 1 meter 55 centimeter. Okay, now children, see practice time. Money from different countries. Have you seen any notes or coins used in any other so you have seen, because and some students have seen, some not. I have not seen, because I didn't go out of India. Straightforwardly I am telling you. Now Shivam Bank has a chart to show us how many Indian rupees we can get when we change the money of different countries. Now see, country money changed into Indian rupees. Korea won 0.06 rupees. That means 1 won is equal to 60 paisa. Sri Lanka rupees. That means 1 rupee is equal to 43 paisa. And Nepal 1 rupee is equal to 62 paisa. Hong Kong dollar 1 rupees is equal to 8 rupees 40 paisa. South Africa rand 4 rupees 80 paisa. China yuan 9 rupees 83 paisa. UAE dirham 17 rupees 79 paisa. USA dollar 65 rupees. $1 is equal to 65 rupees 29 paisa. Germany euro 1 rupees is equal to 76 rupees 83 paisa. England 1 pound is equal to 86 rupees 63 paisa. This is the rate on 4/10/2017. Now you will find the current rate. It's your work in this 4 days holiday. Okay. You will send on my personal WhatsApp number. Here with pencil you will write. Okay. In the textbook only. Now the money of which country will cost the most in Indian rupee, you will compare and then write here answer. I will wait for your homework. Mithun's uncle in America had sent him in 10 USA dollar as a gift. Mithun used 350 rupees for a school trip. How much money was left with him? I will give you idea and you will solve. Mithun's uncle in America. Okay, from America 10 USA dollar. So $10. First you will see $1 is equal to in USA how much rupees, then multiply that rupees into 10, so you will change into rupees and then you will find how much money, then 350 you will subtract and then you will get the how much money was left with him. Okay, now see on the next page, Majid's father in working in UAE, he gets a 1000 dirham as a salary. Arun's father who is working in Sri Lanka gets 2000 Sri Lankan rupees, who gets more Indian rupees as salary. So what you will do, solution I will send first rough work because MCQ will be asked in UT3, so learn how to solve. And fair solution, standard solution I will send, so you will send the homework on my personal WhatsApp number. I know those who are sending, so easily when you will come in the next year I will see. So this 1000 dirham you will change into rupees, and this also you will first dirhams which is country's currency you will find and then change into rupees because from the table, and then 2000. This also Sri Lanka's currency. What is Sri Lanka's currency in rupees in India, and then you will compare. Okay. Lina's auntie brought a present for her from China. It's cost 30 yuan. Find what is cost in Indian rupees. So 1 yuan is equal to this. So 30 yuan, and then Astha wants some Hong Kong dollars and won. How many won can she change for rupees 4 for rupees 400? So rupees 4 relation you will first 1 and rupees 1 won is equal to this, and then 1 rupee is equal dash rupees equal to 1 won, and then 4 rupees is equal to this by dividing process. How many Hong Kong dollars can she change for rupees 508? So 508, first you will find the relation dash rupees is equal to 1 Hong Kong dollar, and then rupees 508 will be, by dividing you will get the answer. Okay. Now next see, Kiran went shopping with rupees 200. Look at the bill you can see. Soap 1, green gram 1 kg tea, 250 gram coconut oil, 1 liter. Okay. The shopkeeper forgot to put the point correctly in the prices. See here, the cost of one soap is equal to 1250. Is it possible? कौन यूज करेगा 1000 रुपीज का वन सोप? Who will be use? Okay, who will use? So here the cost of one soup will be 12 rupees 50 paisa. Okay. Put the point in the correct place and find out the total amount of the bill. Okay, 1 kg green gram is equal to 50 rupees 25 paisa. Tea to 50 gram 27 rupees 25 paisa. Coconut oil 1 liter is equal to this. Okay. Now 10 carry over 1. 5 to 7 to 9 and 110 carry over 1. 2 and 1 3, 3 7 10 carry over 1. 1 and 1 2 and 5 7 to 9 and 6 15. 150 rupees the total amount is. Which city is cool? I live in Himachal. There the temperature in winter is 2 degrees Celsius. So cold. Sometimes water in pipes freezes into ice. But in Rajasthan, where I live, the temperature reaches 48 degrees Celsius. So hot. Here it is very hot. One has to walk kilometers to get water. Children, you improve your habit to see the temperature. Temperature may be varies in whole day in Baroda also. Okay, so in news channel and see the temperature of different cities. Okay, this habit, develop this habit. Always no cartoon, movies, drama, okay, serials वगैरह. So improve this habit. Now see children, the temperature in each city was noted at 3 p.m. on 16th January 2008. That means before 13 years ago. You can see in the map of India which place had the highest temperature at 3 p.m. So highest, so here you will read the temperature and then compare which city is highest temperature. Okay, at 3 p.m. which place is the coolest at that time? So highest and coolest. So highest and lowest temperature you will note and the name of the city. How much higher is the temperature in Mumbai from that in Srinagar? So first you will write the temperature of Mumbai and then find the temperature of Srinagar and then subtract and then find. Okay, from the greater temperature, definitely in the Mumbai, Maharashtra. How many degrees will the temperature need to rise for it to reach 40 degrees Celsius in Thiruvananthapuram? How many degrees will the temperature need to rise? Thiruvananthapuram, that means 33.5 degrees Celsius. So you will subtract this from 40. So you will get answer. And orally I can teach you 33.50. So 5 you will add in 33. So complete number 34 degrees Celsius you will get. So 34 after 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So 4.5 degrees Celsius. Temperature will need to rise for it. Okay, how much lower is the temperature of Kolkata from that in Chennai? So Kolkata, Chennai, subtraction will be there and then compare. The temperature in these cities was also noted at 3 am in this table on the same day. Look at the table and answer the following questions. Which place had the lowest temperature at 3 am? Lowest 1.3 degrees Celsius in Srinagar. So cold. How it would feel? Oh, we can't imagine. Because in the Baroda always summer season is in winter also summer, rainy season and also summer, and summer is. So we can't imagine, we can't live. What is the difference between the temperature at 3 p.m. and 3 a.m. in Chennai and Bhopal? So Chennai 3 p.m. Chennai this difference you will find. Then in Bhopal and 3 a.m. Bhopal, and then find the difference. Okay. Now everything taught by me, solution definitely I will send you, but you will take practice whole chapters because UT3 and start revision. That time you will not tell, madam, you have not taught us. Everything should be completed. Only in the notebook is not there. So don't worry, I will send solution. After that you can copy, and but explanation done from my side. So do hard work, okay, for UT3. Bye-bye.